Okie dokie. Right, we're at the Painting and Decorating show at the NEC stroke installer show, stroke the woodworking show 2026. And as I've said on numerous other videos, I'm trying to look at different companies. I don't want to cover old ground about the same sort of paints that we've spoke about times many. And as I've walked around, I've come across, you've just seen the intro, Gator Guard. Now I'm going to speak to, I've got your guy's name right, Shiv.
Shiv, that's correct.
Shiv's come over to me and says, Phil, do you want to have a look at our product? And I went, do you know what, that's just something that I want to be talking about because it is something different and I want to try and get a bit of free promotion out for these companies that are probably the smaller companies that you've not come across before. So that's why I'm going to do these videos on YouTube as their own little section. That if anybody does search for Gator Guard and they've probably not seen the product at a show because they've not been to the show, it will come up like you're watching it now on YouTube and they can get the information from, I'm going to say, from the horse's mouth. So Shiv's going to talk us through what they've actually got and we'll explain where you can actually use it as well. And I'm spinning the camera around now. So, morning to you, Shiv. You're on camera, you can probably get some B-roll footage there and you can talk because you're on mic, you can tell us what you've got. So,
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, this is Gator Guard. It comes in a 20-metre roll. So as you can see, I'm holding it very easily. The weight is under 5 kilograms. Right. So for installation, all you've got to do is you kick it out. It lays flat. It lays in seconds as well. It's got brilliant anti-slip properties. So as it's wet, you'll be able to see that it's got great anti-slip properties as well.
So what's the idea of this then? This is your floor protection that can go over what sort of flooring would you use it for ideally?
Hardwood flooring, any porcelain tiles, any kitchen tiles. You can use it outside if you've got driveways or garden tiles that you are protecting.
So like your porcelain tiles on a patio. Yeah, good idea.
What's
the USP of this over anything else? I'm standing on it now and I feel like I'm on a spongy floor.
Exactly.
Feels really comfy to walk on.
So it's got impact testing as well, so you can drop light tools, small tools on there. It's also, you can't tear it. It's a very, very hard product to tear, but you can slice it with a sharp knife. The main thing is as well, it's a reusable product. It's not a one-time use only product. You can take it from job to job. I've had a painter tell me he's on his eighth job on one roll. So for the environment, it's very, very good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's lightweight. You can throw it in the bin, in the recycling bin. So it's 100% recyclable.
So any areas that you might dirty up that you go, I can't really use that again, you can actually probably cut that section out if it's on the long roll and put it in an ordinary recycling bin.
Exactly.
You were telling me it is waterproof?
100% waterproof, so any water, even bleach, will just stay on the top.
Yeah.
It will not go through.
Yeah.
So again, once that dries, you can roll it back up and give it a clean and reuse it on the next job.
And we were talking about breathability. You've got something that's suitable.
I do have a breathable. Yeah, I do have
You've got a breathable product as well. If you've got,
that's just this one over here. So that's this product here. We do have a breathable felt.
Yeah.
We do have a full product range as well. That's available. That's you know, it's coming into the UK very shortly. But this is the star of the show. I mean, we can also co-brand as well. We can put any customer's logos, slogans. We can change the colour customization. As we've got a gold roll here, we've got our grey titanium. They've both got the same properties. But yeah, we can customize to any colouring. You can have a bright neon green if you need.
Right. Oh, you're talking about customization and colours. So what? I take it the pattern's going to be exactly the same, but
yes,
colouring. These are the popular ones. What could you go for then?
You can go for anything. I mean, we can customize to a bright neon green. We can have a black. We can have a pink colour. It's whichever needs it.
And I'm liking the sound that you could customize. So if I want to be really sad, I could have a YouTube logo with Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator on it.
That's no problem.
And that would be branding actually onto the flooring that you're putting down in the customer's house.
Yes.
So for I'll say a gimmick, it's not so much a gimmick, but it's actually a marketing tool. It's actually a good way to promote your business.
Definitely.
And obviously step up from the ordinary decorator that's just got a dusty dust sheet that they've had for 50 odd years.
Exactly.
That's never been washed.
I mean,
right.
it looks the part as
it
well.
Does,
if you
it
turn
does.
up to a customer's property with this, it definitely looks premium.
Yeah. And if you have to ask, you can't afford, but just touch on price. You've already mentioned to me, and I think it's reasonable price for what you're actually getting. So do you want to just tell us what sort of price point you're looking at?
So we're aiming at retails around the £1 per square metre mark. So a 20 metre roll there gives you just under 20 metres coverage, and it's around the £30 mark.
Yeah, and you'd say 20 odd metres on there.
So it's 20 odd metres.
20 odd metres, and we're looking roughly about a width.
Around, dependent on volume as well, so it can work out the pricing. That's right.
And whether I've just missed it, but you've said about taping it down, you can use ordinary masking tape. But what was it? Go with something that you...
So it's a low-tack decorators tape we recommend.
Yeah.
That's so it doesn't leave any residue on the customer's floor.
Yeah. And when you take off the tape, I take it there's not much damage to the surface that's actually sticking to.
I can show you.
Yeah,
so
thank you.
Just over here. I'll come back over here.
And this is a really nice tape as well.
This is a really good quality tape, so you just lay it on like that. A seal's created. It's not going to move off of here either. And then once you're done, you give this area a clean or a hoover. You take that off. And you can see you've got a perfect product there.
That's really good, because I know some of the paper floor protections, if you get the wrong tape on it, you're suddenly ripping it all up.
Exactly, yes.
So
it's a really good in terms of reusability and in terms of saving the environment.
Brilliant. I'm going to say give yourself a bit more of a plug. I will put a link in the description below, but tell us again who you are, what your website is, and I'll take a business card from you. Lovely. And I'll put some information if anybody wants to click below. So give yourself the plug.
Okay, the company's Gator Guard. It's a Canadian-based company, but we're now bringing it out in the UK. It's growing very, very fast. I think you'll be able to get it in most of the retailers. So if you Google it, you'll be able to Google Gator Guard titanium floor protection. You'll be able to get it from Beck Products, SitePro Direct. Soon to be in a lot more stores as well.
That's good.
And our company is www.gatorguard.co.uk.
That's brilliant. I would say I'll put a link below, and if this video helps you get it out to a further, bigger audience, that's what I'm here for.
Definitely.
Lovely. So that's brilliant. Now, there's something else you want to just tell me, which we were talking about staircases.
Of course, yes.
Right, what's this about staircases?
So this is the Gator Guard glue felt, and it's got the same properties as the titanium. So it's got the liquid absorption top, anti-slip properties as well. So it's very safe when you put this up the stairs. And this is the sticky back, so you can feel it'll go. It's very low. It's very low tack.
Very low tack. Yeah.
So this will leave zero residue. We've got a little example here, so you can feel even on this side there's no residue, so it'll protect the.
So this would go onto your carpet.
Onto your carpets, exactly. So it'll go on carpets, up your stairs.
So you don't actually use it just on staircases. You can actually use it on the landing as well.
You can use it on worktop, like kitchen worktops as well. You want them protected. You can use.
You're another one that's just the gift that keeps giving, aren't you?
Of course. It's got a lot of uses. But yeah, again, it's very safe on stairs.
Yeah.
What normally happens is they use plastic carpet film protectors.
Yeah, slippy.
It's slippy. Even if you're carrying a bucket of paint up the stairs, you don't want to be slipping with that.
No.
This reduces that risk. So.
Could you also use this on your laminate floors? And
yes, of course.
Wooden floors as well.
No
and this would be breathable, I suppose, because it's.
No, so this is still 100% waterproof. So again, if you spill any paints on this,
it's not going to seep through.
It's not going to go through, yeah. So it's definitely going to protect all your flooring.
So this isn't just for carpet then; it's got other uses as well.
It's got multiple.
And as you say, you can use it onto worktops.
Exactly.
Which is really great.
Yes.
Do you know that's really brilliant?
I've had a client, I think, wrap it around a banister.
Yeah.
So he's put it around and it stayed protecting that, no problem.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, it's got multiple uses.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, let's have a look at the other stuff then we've got.
Again, it's no residue, so it protects it. There's not going to have a sticky residue at the end of your job. We've also got, obviously your breathable. So
You've got loads of stuff.
Yeah, we've got everything. We've got the full range. This is your breathable padded felt. So any underfloor heating, or if you've got wooden flooring as well, that hasn't been cured yet, you can use this on top of it.
So you put the felt side against the flooring,
exactly,
and then your blue side's your waterproof protector.
That's what stays on top. So
Yeah.
this is the breathable product. But yeah, it's a
that's
full
really
range,
good. That's
full
really,
range
really
of
good.
product. And again, you just slice it with a knife, so it's an easy application.
And again, you can use any tape, just keep it something low tack.
Yes, we just recommend normal low tack decorators tape.
Yeah,
That does the job.
We're not endorsing anybody. This is one that does actually work. It's
This
the
is
Dolphin.
brilliant. Yeah, this does the job.
That's good.